In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method to your Facebook ads account in less than a minute. Hey, I'm Mitt. I help businesses manage their Facebook ads. I've worked dozens of clients through this exact process. So I decided to create a tutorial that makes it dead simple for anyone to follow. Let's jump into my laptop where I'll walk you through this step by step. To add your payment method, go to Facebook Ads Manager. This is adsmanager.facebook.com. And then use the drop-down menu here to choose the ad account you want to add the payment method to. After that, scroll over to this menu on the left, then go to billing and payments. After that, go to payment methods. For this account, I already added my card earlier, but there's always the option to add another one. If you already added a payment method, you can add another one or add a fresh one if this is your first one. Then click on Add Payment Method. You'll have the options to add a debit or credit card, connect your PayPal account, connect your bank account if you prefer paying with your bank account directly, or if you have some ad credit, you can use that option too. But for this example, I'm just going to use debit or credit card. Choose the option you want to go with and then click Next. After that, you add the name on the card number, the expiry date, the CVV, and then click Save. And your debit or credit card number or another banking detail will be added to Facebook and you can start running ads. There you have it. Payment method added in under a minute. But here's the thing. Most business owners launch their ads right here with Meta's Advantage Plus settings and then wonder why their campaigns lose hundreds of dollars in the first week. There's actually one hidden setting in Facebook ads that can completely transform your Advantage Plus campaigns, even if you're starting with a brand new account. I break down this game-changing setting in this video.